Hey guys, if your microphone is not working in Fortnite, then keep watching as I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your settings are configured correctly in Fortnite. You can do this by coming over to your profile picture in the top right hand side, click on the settings icon, and then click on the audio icon at the top. And from here, you need to scroll all the way down to voice chat. Now, first, make sure you have voice chat enabled. Make sure it's not set to off. You can either set this to friends only or just have it set to everybody. For the voice chat method, you can decide between open mic, push to talk, or mute. Now, if you have this set to open mic, then your microphone's always going to be on. If you have this set to push to talk, then you'll have to press a specific key on your keyboard to enable your microphone. I like just to keep mine on open mic. I then scroll down to voice chat input device. Now, this is where you need to select your microphone from the list. So if it's currently set to default input, then make sure you change this to your default microphone like so. Then for the voice chat output device, this is where you need to select either your speakers or your headphones. So this is essentially where you want the sound to be playing out from. And once you've adjusted all of these settings, you can just go ahead and hit apply. And then you can close out of the settings window. So you can check now to see if your microphone's working in the game. Otherwise, all you need to do is close out of Fortnite. And we're going to head over to the start menu on our computer and just search for control panel and click on the control panel window. Make sure view by is set to large icons, and then you need to select sound. From here, click on the recording tab at the top, and you need to make sure your microphone is enabled in this list and also set to the default device. So to do that, you just need to click on your microphone and click on the set default button at the bottom. You also need to make sure it's enabled. You can do that by right clicking on it and selecting enable. It's also a good idea to disable any microphones that you're not currently using. So you can see that I have both of these microphones disabled. I'm not currently using them. And this is the one that I'm using, so I've got this one enabled. Then you can right click on your microphone and head over to properties. Click on the levels tab and ensure your microphone slider is turned up. Then click on the Advanced tab and also select Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and press Apply and OK. You'll then need to come down to the taskbar in your computer and right-click on the volume icon. Click on Open Volume Mixer, and from the output device, you want to select your speakers once again. I've selected my laptop speakers, but you can also select your headphones here. And then for the input device, this is where you want to select your microphone. So I've got my Yeti stereo microphone selected. Once you've adjusted all of these settings, you can then relaunch the Fortnite game, and that should have now solved any microphone issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.